So in your computer, if you see a symbol like this, you can see that this is the question mark symbol, that is a inverted type, that is a question mark which is look inverted. So how to get or type this inverted question mark symbol in your computer is the topic that we discuss in this video. So for doing this, you must keep in mind this shortcut, that is Alt 168 is the keyboard shortcut to get or type this inverted question mark symbol in your computer. Okay, I'll show you in the keyboard. So in your computer keyboard, you must first turn on your number lock, that is the number lock should be enabled. The next step is, you can see the Alt key is located on this left side of my spacebar, this one. You must press and hold this Alt key, so you do not remove your finger from this Alt key. And at the same time, you must type here 168. Now you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that we get an inverted question mark symbol here. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, please subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.